Hi everybody, Vicki here. My husband got me a card that had quilling on it, and it gave me an idea for a Dutch pour. I used, of course, my larger dryer to blow out the base paint, but I used the mini dryer to try to finesse some of the curves and everything, and I was pretty happy with the way that worked. The paint that I am using has been mixed according to the Soby recipe, with the exception that I did not have one of the ingredients and I substituted it. So because of that, I did not get the sales that she normally would, but I'm not really disappointed about that because I really like the way the painting turned out to start with. And I will just let you see the process. But what I ended up doing, on the card my husband got me, it had love. And I thought, well, if I put love on this painting, it's going to really limit the usage of it. So there's another artist on YouTube that puts bubbles. She's been putting bubbles in her paintings lately. And so I attempted to put some bubbles in here, and I just made this into a bubble nursery. So there's baby bubbles being born. Wow, say that real fast. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.
Woke up to a sunny day, clear blue sky. Nothing urgent on my plate, only good vibes. Whole lot of love in this great big world. Yeah, life is good. Yeah, life is good. Got a job I love, a little money in the bank, a few worthy friends, some gas in my tank. Can't wait to take a drive out in this world. Yeah, can't stop smiling, I'm grinning ear to ear. My face in the open air and the one I hold dear. She's right here loving on me, I'm so in love. Yeah, life is good. Yeah, life is good. No time for drama, this day's feeling right. Got a cold one in my hand and I'm holding on tight. Kicking back with my feet in the air. Yeah, life is good. Yeah, life is good. So I hold my head, hold it up high, spread my wings and paint this clear blue sky. Leave my mark for the whole wide world to see. Yeah, life is sincere.